Hi there, this is Ranjit and I have the Redmi Note 8 Pro with me, and in this video let's do the gaming review. So here is the Redmi Note 8 Pro, and I got one OT update and I have applied that, and now I'm not having any touch issues after that. It was a 230 MB update, and I also ran Antutu, so I'll show you the scores. I'm not a firm believer of that, so we'll play Call of Duty and even PUBG after that, but let me actually show you the Antutu scores. And as you can see, it's going to just load. And as you can see, we got a score of 2,83,000. Certainly a very impressive score considering the price point of this device, because Snapdragon 712 SoCs generally get a score of about 2,20,000. So certainly very impressive score, as you can see that you're getting on Antutu with this one. But anyways, these are synthetic benchmarks. So let's test the gaming, and we'll first run PUBG and then we'll run Call of Duty. And it also has this game turbo mode because it has this Helio G90 chipset, which also has the Meditek Hyper Engine that's optimized for gaming and all this thing. But let's just try PUBG now. So guys, this is PUBG.
Match. Let's go.
Let's see. And I don't play PUBG a lot, but again, showing you, and this is the highest graphics setting, high setting. And let's see.
The blue team has scored for the first time.
I don't play PUBG that much, guys. As I've told you, COD is the one that I play a lot. So let's see, but also wanted to test this. And again, as you can see, in the gameplay, I'm not having any issues. Shit, that was sucks. I suck at PUBG, as I told you. Oh, somebody's killing me again. I'm back. Oops. Oh, got him. Well, lucky kill. Hiding in.
Reloading.
Okay, can I do the scope? Oh my god, this is a crazy scope. Okay, I got him. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Oh, that's another guy. Oh, he's shooting from the top. Anyways, to give you an idea, bottom line, as you can see, it's running this game. And I'm able to get killed, so that means that's nice, as I suck at PUBG. Oops, he's coming from there. He doesn't want. Okay. Okay, got him. Not bad. So again, no issues with PUBG. At least as you can see, again, this guy is coming. It's gonna come from this side. I'm hoping, yeah. Got him. Okay. Oh, heal, auto heal. Okay, come. I play it like, what do you say, COD. I just rush and into it. So yeah, but as you can see, it's playing this PUBG without any issues. Okay, this guy died. Who killed him? Oh, yeah. Shit. Okay, that was bad. But anyways, the thing is that, again, as this is a gaming chipset, the Meditek G90T, again, you won't have any issues in terms of gaming. As you saw, even with the benchmarks, looks like it's translating into the real world, what do you say, results. Oh, how do you do that close side and kill? That was nice. I have to figure that out. Anyways, as you can see, with PUBG at least, no issues. And some of you have asked me about heating on this. As I told you, I don't play PUBG a lot, but I played COD. Oh wow, what was that? Fragment. COD yesterday for about more than 30-35 minutes, about 4 or 5 matches, I don't know, recall. And I didn't face any, what do you say, lag or any heating issues after that. Yes, it does get warm, but again, that's the same case with almost every smartphone if you play these heavy games at the highest graphics setting. Oh, this guy killed me. So yeah, as you can see, it runs PUBG. So let's do one thing. Let's just get out of this game and let's now move to COD and see how it does in COD, because at least I know how to play that game. Okay, I got 10 kills, not bad. Out of this 19, whatever, I got 10. So one guy is on the top. I don't know what. Oh god, that was good. Anyway, so let's just get out of this one. I'm just gonna press home and I'm just gonna kill everything, as you can see. And now let's try this Call of Duty. So this is Call of Duty, the hijack level. I don't personally like this, but let's see how it does. Wow, there you go.
Lost the lead.
That's to be interesting. And got 2 of them. And some of you are telling me, like, because of ROG phone I could play COD. Yeah, I like this game actually. I like the fast action of this. Oops! Got him!
Cover me! Reloading!
Ooh, let's not go there, that's a spawn point. Let's just kill them here itself. Okay, you're not coming, he's gonna come from there. Oh, he ran away! Wow, what's wrong with you, buddy? Oh, you're running the opposite direction, come here!
Changing mag! Cover me!
Okay, there's someone. Oh! Got you!
Sniper eliminated!
Repeat, UAV
Okay,
recon
there is one
standing
guy
by.
there. Inside, I think so. Yeah.
Online.
Oh, guys, you. Oh, shit, I missed him. Let's go.
Enemy UAV spotted.
Where are you running, man? Oh, you're hiding there. Oh, shit. Got you.
Cover me!
Hunter killer drone
Reloading!
on
Let's
standby.
send this hunter drone. Let's just go. Okay, let's see if he's here. Oh, got you.
Down.
Let's send the hunter drone now. Should find
Friendly
someone.
hunter killer drone deployed.
Oh, I didn't see you. Got you.
Reloading!
Okay. Let's just hide here. We have this perk. Let's use this now.
Friendly predator missile inbound.
Poor guys. Let's see. I don't like to kill and spawn, so let's just go back here. Anyways, this is not my favorite level, but where from where, mister?
We've taken the lead. Heads
Where
up
are
team.
you? Oh, this guy. This is our team. Where are you really? Oh, here, yeah. Got you. My bullets are going to be finished now. Shit.
Be advised, hostile hunter killer drone inbound.
Got him. Okay, I have my bullets are finished, but I got this. Let's try this one now. Okay, come. I'm gonna burn you. Oh shit! That was stupid. Anyways, I got him.
We've taken the lead.
How am I scoring? Okay, I got 10 kills, died once. Okay,
Too close. Fight harder.
I don't know what my other teammates are doing. Anyways, as you can see, I'm really enjoying the game, and it's actually got you.
Changing mag! Cover me!
Oh, there I can see someone. Okay, mister. Got you.
Sniper eliminated!
Oh, got it from the back. But as you can see, it's playing this fine. As you can see, I see no lag. And this is the high graphic settings, guys. Not medium or something like other mid-range phones. So, as you can see, fine. I guess they're inside. Okay, I'll get you.
Sniper down!
There's one more, I guess. Oh, yes. Got him. Okay. Oh, there's one more. Where you running? Where did you run? Shit, did he go inside?
Lost the lead.
I missed him. Where is he? Oh, yeah. Got you.
Sniper eliminated!
Okay, one more. Shit, missed him. Got him.
Down!
For deployment.
I'm gonna send my hunter drone now. Please get one.
Hunter killer drone deployed.
Tango down!
Okay, the UAV.
Enemy UAV spotted.
Got him.
Fight harder. Hostile hunter killer drone inbound.
Okay, there's someone
Hostile
inside.
predator missile inbound.
Got you.
Tango down!
Missile on standby.
Let's
Tied for the lead.
this missile.
Predator missile
Okay.
inbound. We've taken the lead.
Oh, guy, it's not moving.
Hostile predator missile inbound.
Going it down!
Close.
Tango
Fight
down!
harder. We've taken the lead.
Get down! Sniper!
Got him.
Sniper eliminated!
Okay, there's one more. Got it taken.
Standing by. Repeat. UAV recon is standing by.
Everybody's hitting home. Oh, this guy also there. Got him.
Drone on standby.
Okay, we finish it. I think I got the last kill, but let's see. Yes, I got it. That's the UAV. Oh, so yeah, as you can see, it played that fine. Let's see the score. How much did I get in this one? So again, I got the highest score, the MVP, as you can see here. Let's see how much did we score. Again, I don't play it too much, but like I like this game. So I got 34 kills and 4 deaths. Not bad. KD of 8.5, not bad at all. So let's play one more. I hope we get a different level. I don't like that hijack level. So guys, playing one more level, and this is the crash level. Let's see how it does. Again, no lag that I'm noticing on this one. Oops, they're already there. What is this stupid thing guys doing?
Reloading.
Stupidity going there. Oops, they're not there. And the UAV, somebody. Oh shit, somebody's sending me from the back. Oh, there you are. Got you. How did they go back? Somebody so fast.
Tango down.
Got him. Oops, oh bad. That's my bad. But as you can see, it's running this game fine, no issues with any lag, very smooth as you can see.
Changing mag.
Okay,
Cover
here
me.
you are, mister. Got him, headshot.
Reloading.
He's creating a big mess. Okay. Oh, these guys are running. Okay. Oh, got him. And again, as you can see, no issues with the gameplay. Okay, got him. So now I've moved to a new level. This is known as Crossfire. And again, as you can see, still no lag whatsoever. Graphics are really good on this one. Near the camera, I feel it's getting a little bit warm, but again,
Sniper
this
down.
sort of normal if you do continuous gaming on the highest setting like this with these heavy games. Call of Duty is also a very heavy game. Okay, mister, I'll get you. Okay, one more. Shit, mister. Got you.
Changing mag. Cover me.
There's one more here. Okay, mister. Got him.
Recon ready for deployment.
That's
UAV online. Hunter killer
got him.
drone on standby.
Okay.
Hunter killer drone deployed.
Oh, he ran away. Okay, mister. Got you.
Enemy down.
Only thing is the speaker is here, so you can block it if you're not careful. That's what I'm gonna do. Oh, where are you running, mister? Got you.
On standby.
Oh, shit. Ah, that was stupid. That was a stupid move to come out like that. Anyways, I have this. I'm gonna use this now on you guys.
Predator missile inbound.
My Predator missile. I'm gonna put it here.
Target down.
Got only one check. Anyways. Oh, shit. Shit. That was really bad. There are two. Got one.
Eliminated.
Oh, shit. One more. Got him.
Down.
Okay. I don't think so they're gonna come from here. They're gonna come from this side, yes.
Sniper down.
So as you can see, to sum it up, as you can see, having really good gameplay on this one. We had good gameplay with PUBG, and now even with this Call of Duty, as you can see,
Sniper eliminated.
I'm gonna use the fire. I'm gonna be a menace, irritating guy that uses all this fire and all these things. Oops. Oh, there you are. I burnt you, but to sum it up, as you can see, with the PUBG and even with this Call of Duty, you'll have a really great experience. I'm not noticing any lag or anything with this one. Okay, you snipe my team, I will kill you. Simple as that. Oops. Got it. Let's see if they. Oops! That was stupid.
Sniper down. down.
Got him. Let's go here. Oh, those are crazy. So again, will be great even for gaming, as you saw over here. And let's just get out. And what I noticed is that after about 20 odd minutes of gaming, especially in PUBG initially, this area around the camera, this tends to get actually pretty warm. But with Call of Duty, I did play a lot more levels, as you saw. There, it simply did not heat as much as it did with the PUBG. But again, great performance for gaming, I would say, thanks to that Helio G90T chipset. And as you saw, that even with the Antutu benchmarks, we got some very good scores. So definitely, actually, really good performance for gaming. Anyways, I'll also be posting the full in-depth review for this one probably after a week or so. So if you have any other specific questions about this device, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to include them in my review. Anyways, guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care, guys.